Volcanoes have existed since the beginning of the mankind and life. Tectonic movement some million years ago caused one existing landmass separate and form each continent. And within each continent, separated by its border, consisting of people with different religion, culture, and language, formed each countries. With 200 countries and different geographical, climatic landmass and atmosphere, different species came to existence. This tiny blue planet is always changing its presence. However, this natural law doesn't completely apply to volcanoes. Once erupted from its inside core, it will remain in that spot and area for millions of years. It will take further more millions of years to go extinct. For this reason, many countries around the globe have volcanoes in their regions. Fortunate for them, some of these aren't active since decades or centuries or so. Unfortunately, some are still active and causing havoc to human population and its surrounding. There are more than 1,500 potentially active volcanic areas around the world at any given time. Since volcanic activities and eruption are common now and then, let's pinpoint top 5 active volcanoes around the globe. Let's start our countdown. Number 5, Mount Yasur. Located on Tanu Island, Republic of Vanuatu, Mount Yasur is called Lighthouse of Pacific. It has been erupting nearly continuously for several hundred years. It is said that the glow of volcano was apparently what attracted James Cook on the first European journey to Ireland in 1774. Today, the mountain is sacred area for the John Frum cargo cult. Mount Yasur is an easily accessible active mountain and is a major Vanuatu tourist attraction. In respect of its 800-year-long eruption, the International Union of Geological Sciences included Yasur Yenkahe Volcanic Complex in its assemblage of 100 geological heritage sites around the world in a listing published in October 2022. Mount Vesuvius. After centuries of dormancy, Mount Vesuvius erupts on August 24, 79 AD, killing thousands and burying Pompeii. Its last eruption was on 1944 during World War II. Mount Vesuvius is considered dangerous because many people live in the death zone around Vesuvius. It is located on the west coast of Italy and only active volcano in mainland Europe. Cities like Naples and the surrounding town are located nearby to Vesuvius. As of now, 700,000 live in the death zone around Vesuvius, which makes it most dangerous volcano on Earth. Anak, Krakatoa. Anak Krakatoa is a volcanic island in Indonesia. It is located in the Sunda Strait, in the Indonesian province of Lampung. The volcano is contained within the Ujung Kulon National Park and is the part of the Pacific Ring of Fire. The volcano's most recent eruptive began in 1994. Quiet periods of a few days have altered with almost continuous Strombolian eruptions since then. Before this, in 1883, the eruption of main island of Krakatoa killed more than 36,000 people, making it one of the most devastating volcanic eruptions in human history. It is said that Krakatoa's eruptive sound was heard 3,110 kilometers away in Perth, Australia, and Rodriguez near Mauritius, 4,800 kilometers away. Sakurajima. Sakurajima volcano in southern Kyushu is one of the most active volcanoes in the world and is one of the few that are at present in constant activity. Formerly an island, it is now a peninsula. The lava flows of the 1914 eruption connected it with the Osumi Peninsula. Its ongoing typical activity range from strong Strombolian to a large ash explosion every 4 to 24 hours. It is an active stratovolcano. Its summit has 3 peaks, northern part, central part, and southern part, which is active now. A team of experts suggested that the volcano could have a major eruption within 30 years. Since then, 2 eruptions have occurred. Kilauea. Kilauea is one of the most active volcanoes, erupting 3 times in 2023. It is the most active and youngest of the 5 volcanoes that together form the island of Hawaii. it has covered 90% of its surface in lava flows within the last 1,000 years. Traditionally, Kilauea is viewed by many native Hawaiians as the home of the volcano deity Five-O-Mania. Its most recent eruptive movement was seen during the period of 10 to 16 September 2023. So these are my picks for this video. In next video, we will meet with new content. Till then, have a nice day.